Hi, are you struggling with laundry, especially if you have a newborn baby and two other young kids who are under the age of 6? Well, welcome to my world. That's me. I have two kids and a newborn, and laundry can get crazy, all right? So that's a family of 5. And today I just want to share my process on how I deal with my newborn's laundry, not even anyone else's laundry, just our newborn's laundry alone. Normally, I'll start by sorting the clothes. As you can see, I have a pile here. There's another pile in a laundry basket. That one is already sorted. So this is from yesterday. I need to sort this. And basically, it's just looking what has a stain, what doesn't have a stain. If it has a stain, I'm going to pre-wash it. Like, as you can see, this one has a bit of a stain. This was like a flow over, and this is what went through. If you have a newborn, you understand what I'm talking about. Yeah, so this one I need to go and soak it, or just first do a pre-wash before putting it in the washing machine. If I hadn't mentioned, we're going to be using the washing machine today to do our laundry. And other clothes which are just, it doesn't look clean, it doesn't look dirty, sorry. It doesn't look dirty, but it is dirty, so we put those aside. And my baby is crying. I need to go check on her right now. Like, I can't even wait. So you get the drill, all right? So you just sort them. Make sure you have the clothes that have stains separated from the ones that don't have stains but are dirty. And by dirty, I mean your child wore them, even if it is just once. Kids are very sensitive. Make sure you keep their laundry super clean, okay? So I don't know what you normally do to ensure that you have a fresh hot meal in your home, but normally for me, I like to cook in the mornings when I still have energy. If it's not me, I'll have whoever it is cook the meals for the day in the morning. And I know I could batch cook, but I'm getting there. Let me say I am getting there. I've been meaning to, and I'm planning on it, and I will do it when I'm able to do so. All right, so what I'm going to do right now as I wait for the clothes to air dry is to just make a quick fix. I already boiled some potatoes and some green bananas with some green peas. It's so hard to mention these ingredients in English because I could have just said waru, matoke, and minji, anyway. So potatoes, green bananas, and some green peas. So I'm going to boil that. Actually already boiled. It was boiling earlier. Mash those with some spinach, and yeah, that will be my main meal. I will accompany it with some spinach and some eggs on the side. Yeah, and that's it. So let's go. Let me go back to the kitchen, cook that really quickly, and then we'll go to and hang the clothes, fold them, and this video will be done. We have already started the process. This is my spinach. I'm going to let it steam with the tomatoes like that. I could have blended the tomatoes, but yeah, mommy brain, I forgot. So I'm gonna leave it like that, let it cook. And then over here I have my tomatoes, which I want for them to cook really nice so that I can add in the egg, and that will be ready. So that's it. About the mash, here it is. I have my potatoes, some green peas, some spinach, and green bananas. All right, so that's the mash. It's gonna be so delicious. All right, so stick around and you're gonna see how we end the video. I should have just blended all of these things. So here are my eggs. I only need 3. I'm going to mix them in this bowl, then add some dania for garnish, and that's it. Add in the tomato mix that's cooking well in the jiko, and that will be it for this, for the egg meal. I was swimming with the sharks. baby is sleeping. I have about like 2 hours to get things done, and also that's another way I'm able to manage surviving all of this without a house help. But yes, I'm working on getting help because a lot of things are lagging behind, but with the help I think some of those things would be easier, like taking care of the school-going kids. I think the only reason why I'm managing to survive is because the school-going kids are going to school, and during the day they are at school, so it isn't much work like cooking their lunch and all that. So the only thing I need to do is to ensure I make one big meal for them to find some food when they come back home in the evening. Yeah, so let me put this in the cooking pot. So here are the eggs. I'm just going to put them in there. Then I will give this a very nice stir. Mix everything until it is all broken down, like you will see. Let's just say you will see how it will come out. Yeah, so mix everything like that. Mix it up, stir well. Did I put salt? I think I already put salt. Let me just check. If you want to know, just check. Has salt. There's nothing else I'm gonna add except for the coriander. So this is what I was talking about. The egg is going to cook. So I had already mentioned earlier that I wish I had blended the tomatoes, but it's okay. We don't have a problem with it. So as you can see, it is starting to dry up. I hope you're seeing it. Let me just pick it up. It's the heat. It's starting to dry up, and it's at this point that I'm going to be adding my coriander, like so. Eggs cook really fast, and that's why it is a quick fix meal for me to make as I wait for the laundry to dry up, and also as my baby is sleeping, taking her first morning nap. Yeah, and by the time she wakes up, I'll have food to eat, I'll have clean laundry for her. Yeah, and that will be a really nice, like a nice moment to cherish. So that's how my eggs are coming out. At this point, I would add some Royco cubes or some seasoning, but I think I'm so far so good. At this point, I really like how it's coming along, and I'll have the spinach, and also have my mashed food over there. Okay, so this is almost ready. I really don't like for my dania to cook so much, and the moment I cover it up, it will continue cooking. So I'll just leave it there. And we're done with the cooking. Now let's go check on the laundry.
You don't care, and I won't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things you said that I should be. I'll get you. Now you'll beg me, please. Hey. Now I'll stay away. You were never meant to save me. Now I'll stay away. I won't hear you say you're sorry. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I fell in love with you. Hate I even loved you. Hate I kinda fell in love with you. With you, I cried with you. Now will not be alone. I lied for you, I tried for you. You wouldn't play alone. I got you in my sight. I keep all the words you said to me. I get you on your knees. Rewrite all the things.
So I'm done, and that took me 15 minutes. All right, so 15 minutes folding, and I'm ready. I'm happy.
One of us seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces covered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over. I never expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks. I can't tell you apart from them. You can't tell either. Will we love or fall in deeper? Tell me, darling, what is it you want?
So with everything perfectly organized, I can say I'm done with newborn laundry. As you can see, it's a lot of work, and that is just one person. So you can imagine the rest of the 4 members of the family. So we normally have a laundry day, which is Monday or Friday depending. And yeah, wow, I'm even so tired. I'm so tired. Yeah, so I was saying we have a laundry day. It can be Monday or Friday, and that's when we deal with now the rest of the clothes, and that involves a little bit more work because there's ironing involved, there's organizing school uniform, and it's quite a lot. So I'll do that in a separate video. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure you like it, leave a comment, share, subscribe if you haven't. I really that's the only thing that I'll be asking from you. Just make sure that you subscribe. So it's much later in the day when I was organizing the clothes where they need to go, because I took a break to take care of the kid, take care of myself. It's around 4 p.m. that's why the lighting has gone a bit down. Also, I'm in a place where there isn't good lighting, but we'll sort that with time. All right, so I just wanted to come here to say thank you for watching the video up to this point. If you have watched the entire video up to this point, thank you so very much. You deserve something from me, and that will happen in the future. So thank you for being loyal. I appreciate you, and I hope I'll be seeing you in our next video, or you can just stick around and watch all of our other videos. They're really amazing. All right, so thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye. God bless you. Stay kind. Yeah.